one very important concept, that is the concept of case studies. Okay, beta, what actually is case study? Case study is just like the comprehension. You will be given one paragraph on any one topic. Okay, you will be given one paragraph based on any one topic, right? And you have to attempt the questions which are given below. The questions may be in form of MCQs. The question may be in form of fill in the blanks. The question may be in form of true and false. Okay, so such questions, they are known as competency based questions. What they are called? Competency based questions. So in front of you, let us start first case study as a sample case study which I have created for you people. Beta, it will be very nice if some of you can on the video so that I can see your reactions. I can interact with you easily. Those who can on the video, they must on. It's not compulsion. Those who can on, they must on so that I can interact with you people. Okay, I give you 1 minute. First of all, keep rough notebook in front of you. First of all, everybody of you pick up a pen and keep a rough notebook in front of you and write the date and write the heading case studies. Case studies. In the next test, in the next week test, I'll be giving one case study. So today we are starting the new topic, case study. I want you to get familiar with this topic. Shall I start, beta? All right. So let us read the paragraph first. You also have to read. Okay. The first stage in the cycle is called input stage. The second stage is called process stage. And the third stage is called the output stage. Some input is needed to accomplish the task. Process is carried out on the input to obtain the output. Every task follows the IPO cycle. A computer too follows this cycle. Hence, four major functions of computer are input, process, storage, and output. Clear? So this was your case study paragraph. Now let us start the questions. Four functions of computer are input, output, storage, all above. Input, output, storage, all above. Yes, Garima, unmute yourself and give the answer.
Sir, all of the above.
Very good, Garima. Very good start. All above. I will change all the answers to red color. I'll be changing the color of all the answers to red. Okay. Anshya, bete unmute yourself and give the second answer. IPO cycle stands for
Input, process, output.
input, process, output. Very good, Anshya. Good start. Okay. What is the second stage of IPO cycle? Beta, one thing I want to tell you. Listen carefully. It may happen that you get one such question in the case study whose answer is not in the paragraph. So you have to think about that. Concept is clear to you. You have read the whole chapter. So it may happen one or two questions may be not in the case study. The answer may not be in the paragraph. So you have to think about it. What is the second stage of IPO cycle? Okay, Dharya, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir, process.
Yes, the second stage of IPO cycle is called process. Very good, Dharya. Nice. All right. Write any one suitable example demonstrating the working of IPO cycle. It can be any example from daily life. Try to recall the first lecture when I discussed the IPO cycle. You have to quote one example from your daily life in which the concept of IPO is involved. हमने कुछ बनाना सीखा था. I give one clue to you. Many of you might be knowing how to make Maggie. Yeah, I took the name of Maggie and see the charm I can see on your face. Right now, lecture is going on. Don't think about Maggie. Okay, imagine that you have been given the task by your mother that beta go and cook Maggie. So, starting from the preparation of Maggie till the end, you get ready Maggie totally ready. Start speaking the steps. Okay, who will start? Who will take the initiative? Okay, Navedita is very curious to make Maggie. Yes, Navedita. Start the first step.
So firstly, we arrange the materials that we want to make Maggie,
Yeah,
like
Maggie packet.
that is input. Yes,
First stage is input.
uh,
In input, we have to arrange all the
input.
raw material. Maggie packet, all the, we'll cut all the vegetables, whatever we want to have in that Maggie, okay? So we'll arrange all the material. That is the input. Okay. Okay. Second stage, our input is ready. Our Maggie packet, our vegetables, are all the masalas, whatever we want. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. We have arranged the input. Now, second stage. Okay, Jap ji, unmute yourself, beta. Jap ji, unmute yourself, beta.
Put all the vegetables and some oil in the pan and stir
Yes.
them well.
Very good.
Now
Very good. Very good.
put
Process. Second stage is process. So Japji has given the very correct answer. Now we are to take one pan and we are to put all the input in that. We add oil, then put vegetables. Okay. Then all the things, whatever you want to make your Maggie more tasty. Okay. So on your gas, the process is going on. Now, what is the third stage? Who will answer third stage? Yes, Anshya. End up the third stage.
Third stage is the output. The output will be the Maggie, which is ready.
Yes, our Maggie is ready to eat. Very nice. So I think IPO cycle is now very much clear to you as you have explained so well the living example from your daily life. As we all are at home due to problem of COVID pandemic, so we are making such nice things to eat. Okay. And I hope you are quite helping your mother also in the kitchen. So from there only we have derived the example of IPO cycle. So good hand for yourself. Very nice. Okay. So now so far this question is concerned, you have to divide your answer in three parts. Input. Here you will write, arrange all the raw materials, all the Maggie packet and vegetable and cut and right. Second, process. Okay, keep the pan on the gas and heat it up and whatever you want. Third, output. In these three categories, you have to explain the example, but don't explain in an essay form. Be very short. Don't write big paragraphs. Be very brief. Keeping your answer in brief, you have to explain everything. Right? But these three headings are must. Clear? All right. So, Kanish, unmute yourself, beta. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, E part, beta.
Process is carried on input to obtain output.
Process is carried on input to obtain
output.
Output. Very good, Kanish. Nice response. All right. Ishani, the third stage of cycle is
Storage.
third stage,
Output.
output stage, beta. Output stage. Okay. So I hope the first case study is clear to you and you are very much familiar how to attempt case study. It is just like comprehension. Okay. So don't worry what is case study. It's just one topic has been picked up from the chapter and questions are based on that topic. Clear? Again, I am saying it may happen. Some questions may not be given in the paragraph. You should be very much clear with the concept. Like IPO cycle topic is there. You should be having thorough knowledge about IPO cycle. Clear? Okay, let us start the next case study. Now, again, I give you 1 minute so that you people can read it carefully. CPU. This time, the case study is on CPU. Beta, put your hand down. Only raise your hand when question comes. Right now, put your hand down. So our next concept about case study is CPU. Okay. So just as human brain is the most important part of human body as it directs and controls the actions of the body, CPU is the brain of computer. CPU controls and directs the internal activities and actions of computer. A CPU does the entire thinking and controlling in a processing action. All other parts of computer work as directed by CPU. The CPU is also called microprocessor or simply the processor. The CPU consists of three basic sections: ALU, control unit, registers. So this was your second case study up till here. Now let us start the questions. CPU stands for, yes, Chaitanya, unmute yourself.
The central processing unit.
A option, central processing unit. Very right, Chaitanya, very good. Central processing unit. Very good. Chaitanya, I'm very happy from you. You daily attend the lecture, video is always on, and you daily focus on the topic. Good. Keep it up. Name the section of CPU that performs computing functions. Okay, Raghav, unmute yourself. Raghav, unmute yourself, beta. Am I audible to? Yeah, he's there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, the processor.
No, section of CPU that performs computing functions. Computing means calculation type.
ALU.
ALU. ALU is the section of CPU that performs the computing functions. Name the section of CPU which are used to store data temporarily. Yes, Garima. Unmute yourself.
Registers.
Registers. Very good. Registers. Very right. Very correct. Okay. CPU is also, oh sorry. Name the section of CPU that directs the entire computer system to carry out programs, instructions. Yes, Japji.
Sir, control unit.
Control unit. Control unit is the section of CPU that directs the entire computer system to carry out the program instructions. Very right, very good. All right. Tanveen, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
CPU is also called microprocessor or processor. Very right, very correct, Tanveen. All right. Next, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Full form of ALU.
Arithmetic logical unit and
Arithmetic
arithmetic
logic unit.
logic
CU,
control unit.
control unit. CU, control unit. Very right, very good, Gaurav. All right. So 2 case studies are over. Beta, put your hand down. 2 case studies are completely over. Right? Now let us start with the third case study. Monitors. Again, I am giving you time of 1 minute so that you can read thoroughly the case study. Read the following case study carefully and answer the questions that are given below. Monitors. The output unit is responsible for producing the output in user readable form. Various output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker. Monitor is the most common form of output device. It displays the information in a similar way to that shown on the television screen. The picture on the monitor is made up of thousands of tiny colored dots called pixels. Different type of monitors are CRT, LCD, OLED, plasma monitor, touch screen. Okay. First question. Monitor is also called as. Yes, Navedita.
VDU.
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 A option, VDU. Visual display unit. VDU full form is visual display unit. So monitor is also known by another name, visual display unit. Write the full form of CRT and OLED. Full form of CRT first. Yes, Raghav. CRT.
Sir, cathode ray tube.
The full form of CRT is cathode ray tube. All right. OLED. All right. Who will tell? Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, organic light emitted display.
Organic
Light emitted display.
light emitting display. Very right, very correct, Prabjot. Good. So I am just changing the color. What are tiny colored dots called? Yes, Gia.
Pixels.
Very right, Gia. Very good response. Pixels. Nice. Name any 2 output devices other than monitor. Other than monitor means monitor को छोड़ के कोई और 2 output devices बताइए. Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, speakers and printers.
Speaker, printer, plotter, okay, projector, all these are output devices. What is another name of LCD? What is another name of LCD? Let me find some other student who will answer this question. Okay, Rajvinder, you unmute yourself and answer this question. Rajvinder, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Rajvinder? Rajvinder, bete, am I audible to you? I'm unable to hear your voice. Please raise your thumb to show your presence. Might be some technical fault, I guess. All right. Dipali, unmute yourself. Roll number 8, Dipali. Bete, unmute yourself. Dipali, can you hear me? Dhwani, am I audible to you? Roll number 10, Dhwani. Keshav, are you here in the class? Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is another name of LCD?
Uh,
Try.
Liquid compact disc.
Beta, another name of LCD. It is TFT, Keshav. TFT stands for thin film transistor. Is it clear, Keshav?
Yes, sir.
So another name is TFT, it stands for thin film transistor. All right. Ishan, unmute yourself. Ishan, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself. State true or false. Am I audible to you, Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Monitor is not a common output device. Is it true or is it false? Monitor is not a common output device. Is it true or is it false, Ishan? Beta, it's so
False.
false. Monitor is always small in size. Monitor is always small in size. Yes, Lavanya? False. Very good, Lavanya. Touch monitors are also used nowadays. Touch monitors are also used nowadays. Yes, Manyaveet.
True.
Touch monitors are also used nowadays.
Sir, true.
True. Very right, very correct. So I hope all the 3 case studies are totally clear to everyone. And you are now total familiar with the concept of case study. Any doubt? Any doubt to any child? No doubt? No questions? All right. So let us quickly revise some of the MCQs as a revision part. ICT stands for Information and Content Technology, Internet and Communication Technology, Internet and Corporation Trade, Information and Communication Technology. All right, who will answer the first MCQ? Yes, Manyaveet, you try. Okay, Kanish, unmute your
Information and communication.
D part, Information and Communication Technology. D part is the correct option. Very right, very good. All right, moving to the second MCQ. Kanish, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
The
Sir,
technology.
ICT.
The technology that cater to content-driven fields such as print media, television, radio, publishing industry.
Sir, ICT.
ICT, no. It is content technology. The correct answer is content technology. Examples of convergence technologies are VoIP, smartphone, mobile TV, all above. Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, all the above.
Very right, very correct, all above. Very nice, good. Okay, SMS stands for, yes, Garima, unmute yourself. SMS stands for
Sir, short message service.
A option, short message service. Very correct, very right. Good response.